Hello, hello, hello. My name is Jess Wonders, and you are about to watch a presentation or your course on affirmations, meditation, and visualization. This is specifically for people who are preparing for surgery. This is pre-op. I will speak specifically to the endometriosis community, pelvic pain community. So you will hear some references for that. However, anybody preparing for any kind of surgery can benefit from this information. So please stay. Also, no need to take any crazy notes, as I will have a guide that has all of this information written out for you to reference later, including some bonus links and some other resources for you as well. Now, let's get into it. I am going to share my screen with you so that you can see this presentation. All right, so like I said before, my name is Jess. I am a certified integrative women's health coach. I do have a specialty in my education for specifically working with the endometriosis community. I am a women's health advocate. I am a mom. I am a dog mom. I am a wife. I live in the Midwest, but I don't love the winters, guys. All right, let's get into it. Now, I do have a quick disclaimer for you. This is just basically saying I am not your doctor. If there's any information here that I'm suggesting you do or try, please speak with your doctor about it if you're not sure. This is basically for educational content, guys. All right, here's my pledge to inclusivity. I understand that not all people with pelvic pain conditions, not all people with endometriosis identify as women. You may see women spelled with an X. That is simply so that I can be inclusive of all people. Let's get into it. Mind-body therapies to prepare for surgery. Choose to think positive, affirming thoughts. Empower your healing process with affirmations. Now, I have a couple of ways to do affirmations if you've tried them before and they haven't worked for you. So please don't just go into this with an open mind. Use meditation to accelerate the healing process. Use visualizations before and after surgery. And you can also try hypnosis. I personally have tried hypnosis for a couple of different reasons, and it's super powerful. So don't knock it before you try it, guys. I forgot, because hashtag ADHD, I forgot to say, let's get into a quiet space where we can pay attention, get comfortable, get your tea, get your water, whatever. Come into this with an open mind. If you want to take notes, feel free, but it's not necessary, as I will provide you with a guide for this course. Now, let's get into it. Affirmations to empower your healing process. This is a proclamation spoken out loud or silently that presents a positive outcome. It can be used to reduce pain, shift negative emotions, and improve general health and state of mind. You program your subconscious mind to believe your upcoming surgical experience has already happened and was safe, easy, and painless, with a positive outcome. Now, affirmations will state your positive outcome has already occurred. The subconscious mind does not know the difference between now and the imminent future. That's the idea here. Affirmations to empower your healing process. Scientific studies show that outcomes greatly improve with positive beliefs and expectations. Research is showing that the mind has the power to influence the outcome of medical procedures through intention, visualization, and focus. All right. Now, affirmations can affirm that you are ready to heal on all levels. It goes something like this. I am open to healing on all levels. Affirmations can help attract the things into your life that you need to heal. Here's an example. I am attracting the perfect surgeon and the resources necessary to completely heal easily and quickly. Affirmations may be spoken by friends and loved ones on your behalf, kind of like a prayer, if you will, and is very powerful when when two or more speak it as truth. We know that blank heals completely and painlessly each day. Affirmations can be repeated while walking or exercising. If you align your affirmations with the rhythm of your exercise workout, they will settle more deeply into your subconscious. My body is getting stronger and healthier every day. Joyfully affirm, there is a fly in here. I apologize. Like, what kind of production am I running here? Okay. Joyfully affirm your gratitude for the expected optimum results as if it has already occurred. I give thanks for the great success of my surgery, is an example of that. Now, a lot of people assume affirmations have to be an I am, which isn't true because other people can speak it on your behalf. But if you find I am difficult, and the reason might be because if you say, for example, I am healthy, and you know that you're not right now because obviously you're a person that's waiting for surgery, right? Your brain is going to possibly question if that's true. So if you find that happening to you, try what if? What if I am happy? Or something I like to say to myself when I'm struggling with intrusive thoughts, for example, is show me how it gets better. Show me how it gets better. But I've got a great little story to tell you about an older woman who got diagnosed with colon cancer. And she decided that every single day, once she was diagnosed, she was going to go on a walk. And while she walked, because I just referenced in this information I shared with you about how walking and doing this while you exercise can kind of amplify it. So as she would go on a walk, she would say to herself, every cell in my body is happy. Every cell in my body is well. And she literally would say it out loud as she walked. She didn't care if people were judging her as they drove by. And 6 weeks after doing this, which I don't know her whole medical story. I don't know if this was related or not, but one can think that there had to be something going on because the mind is so powerful. After 6 weeks of this woman doing this, her tumor shrunk drastically to the point where she wasn't going to need surgery anymore. What? I don't know. I'm a believer in all things, guys. You believe what you want. I just find it to be a fun story. All right. Stephen Covey, a world-renowned writer and speaker in the personal development field, states affirmations are most effective if you make them about you. State them in the positive. State your outcome in the present moment as if it has already manifested. Create a clear picture to accompany them. This augments your subconscious mind's belief that your affirmation is truth. Remember, I just kind of referenced that. Are you having a problem with it being, questioning if it's truth? Energize your affirmation with positive feelings, even if you have to muster them up, right? Emotions drive the affirmation into the subconscious mind to create a new belief. Try to affirm with joy or conviction. Repeat your affirmation until you feel a shift in energy or attitude. And this may take minutes or days, guys. So if this is new, you need to keep at it before you give up. Initial resistance is normal. Change the words to suit you. The more you practice, the sooner the positive outcome, guys. Now, Empowering Affirmations by Valerie Gerard. These are some cool ones that I found. I am completely healthy and happy with my new improved physical condition. Now, if you were questioning that, if maybe you're like not totally happy with it, you could say, what if I am completely happy and healthy with my new improved physical condition? What if, right? My body is relaxed and ready to heal quickly. My body is stronger and healthier each day. I am enjoying my rapid healing process. I am loved by my friends and family. Their love and good wishes cause instant and fast healing. Now, kind of like how I told you about preparing for surgery and putting the affirmations around your house, before you go into surgery, you could swap those for more post-operative appropriate affirmations. I mean, that's like top-notch healing goddess vibes. So Empowering Affirmations by Valerie Gerard. Here's a couple more. I let go of all things that I cannot control. I think all of us should say that one daily, right? I am surrounded by love. I am completely safe. My hospital stay is filled with loving energy from the prayers of my family and friends. The divine loving guides my doctors during my operation. My surgeon is caring, competent, and is helping to restore my body to perfect health. Empowering affirmations continued. I release the past and know that all is well now. Wow, that's a good one. I got to start saying that one daily. My surgery is an incredible success. My body and mind are renewed. My body easily and readily releases all forms of disease, swelling, and toxins. My medication helps me heal. Now, something I want to say before I go on to this next slide is if you are finding all of this information challenging to put to work, or you're kind of scoffing at this thinking, how is this really going to help me with my chronic pain condition that doesn't have a cure or whatever? I challenge you to ask yourself, when you have a negative thought that pops up in your head, ask yourself who put it there. Ask yourself if it's true. Because if you find yourself dealing with intrusive thoughts, if you find yourself dealing with negative emotions and thoughts, somebody could have put those there and it wasn't you. Whether it was society, whether it was your mom, whether it was your dad, whether they were intentionally trying to cause harm or not, doesn't matter. The point is that you may have grown up in a home where you heard your mom speak negatively to herself, not positively. And so you might find this hard to understand. But I promise you, if you stick with it, this changing your mind can literally change your life. And changing your mind can help your physical body in so many ways, and even your energetic body. So give it a chance. That's all I'm saying. All right, now that I'm done with my pep talk, practicing affirmations. Place your written affirmations where you will remember to say them. I kind of gave you tips on that already. Write your affirmations in a journal 30 times for 30 days. This is my challenge to you if you are somebody who struggles with this. Record them on your phone and or play them as you go to sleep. Say them out loud, say them out loud whenever you have a moment, especially if you are having negative thoughts about yourself or your upcoming surgery. Speak your affirmations with enthusiasm, as if you are already observing the positive results. To deeply embed an affirmation into your subconscious, repeat it while you relax with eyes closed 30 to 100 times. Change them as your goals evolve. Meditation. All right, so moving on from affirmations into meditation. I am going to stop this recording right here and we will get into meditations in the next course video.